Okay, we'll wait for a few minutes.
Ma'am,
Let everyone
models?
join. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, Shivang. How are you? Good.
जितने लोग मिले हैं वो लोग
Please give your attendance in the message box. Meanwhile, everyone. Okay, meanwhile, everyone is joining. Good morning. Meanwhile, everyone is joining. We'll start revising the things that we have done yesterday.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम
Good
मैम हम लोग
morning.
एक्सरसाइज एक कर लिए थे और हम लोग ऑब्लिगेशन और एडवाइस सजेशन वो भी कर लिए थे
Yes. So we will revise it one more time. Okay. So everyone has done this, written the definition and all the models, uses of models till here. Everyone has done?
यस मैम
Okay. Okay.
यस मैम
Fine, that's great. So yesterday we have done we have done can, could, and be able to. We got to know the difference between these three modal verbs, right? So again, I'm repeating it one more time. All three of them shows the ability, expresses the ability of doing something, of performing something. Okay. So ability to do something. So can indicates the ability to do something, means to be able to or capable of how to know how to do it. Okay. Okay. So can shows the ability. Could also shows it suggests the ability but in the past. Okay. So in the past, like if somebody had ability to do something in the past, he could walk for a kilometer without a break. It shows the ability that he could have done in the past. So could shows the ability in the past. Okay, it is not clear whether he walked for a kilometer without a break or not. So but it shows the ability he could have done that. Okay, without a break. Fine. And be able to indicates ability to do something which is more possible than can. So it is stronger than can. Okay, be able to is expresses more strongly than can. So he was able to write with both hands. It shows that he actually wrote with both hands. He knows how to do it with both hands. Okay, so it shows the ability which expresses more than can. Okay, clear this
यस
much?
मैम
Okay.
यस मैम
Okay.
यस मैम यस मैम
So I hope everyone has given the attendance in the message box.
यस मैम यस मैम
Everyone?
यस मैम यस मैम
Okay.
यस मैम
Okay, fine.
यस मैम
Fine.
यस
Right.
मैम
So, on those who have not given, please give it right now. Okay. Exercise A, we have done it yesterday.
यस मैम
And now related to all these modal verbs, I'll be sending you an assignment. Okay, in the on one of the site also of the school, you can trace it from there, and I'll be sending it on WhatsApp group also. So wherever you want to see that, check that assignment, you can do that. Okay, whether on the site or yes.
Ma'am, what is the name of site of the APS?
Site of what is it? The site of the APS is APS Allahabad.
No, ma'am,
Dot,
it's www.armypublicschool.org.
that is website. I'm talking about Gmail site ID where you can access your ओके वेबसाइट, हाँ वेबसाइट पे आप जाके देख सकते हो, यू कैन चेक इट ऑन वेबसाइट, दैट इज़ www डॉट what was it?
Ma'am, armypublicschool.org.
Okay, you can check your assignment here also. Okay, armypublicschool.org, you can check it over here also. Okay, otherwise I'll get to know the site from where you can check the homework. I'll let you know. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. So, or I will be sending the assignment in the group also. You can check it over there also. So now these three I have already explained it to you yesterday: should, must, and ought to. Okay. All three of them suggested obligation, advice, and suggestion. Okay. They express these three things. All three of them: should, must, and ought to. So should is used to make a suggestion or to give an advice. For example, you should take the medicine twice daily. Okay, and the usage of should is written in these two sentences. Should we call it? It can be a interrogative. It can start as an interrogative sentence also. Should we call the police as someone is hiding in the garden? That is a suggestion. And we should eat more vegetables and fruits. That is also a suggestion. Okay. Now here obligation. Must is for obligation. You must help your friend in need. You must complete your homework on time. Okay, getting it? So these are the obligations that can be given as using the must, model must. So ought to is stronger than these two. Okay, it is stronger than these two, and it conveys a sense of moral duty. That means when ought to has come in any of the sentence, it is must for anyone to do that particular duty, do that particular work. So you ought to plant trees. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
One by one, not all together, please. Yes.
मैम मैम ये एडवाइस पे ही लगता है हमेशा.
Must.
No, ma'am, should.
हाँ, should for giving advice or suggestion, and it can be it can start as a the sentence with a and ends with a question mark also. So here the exercise the sentence B, you can see, should we call the police as someone is hiding in the garden? It is in a form of interrogative sentence. Okay, so we can start as and giving the advice also. Wait, giving the advice also. Achha, somebody wants to join in. Wait, just a moment. So it can be given as advice also. You should take the medicine twice daily. Okay, so that is how that is also the way to for giving the advice, and in second one, so giving the suggestion in an interrogative sentence. Then again, we should eat more vegetables. Again, it is a suggestion. Somebody was asking something.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of obligation?
Obligation is a kind of a restriction. Okay.
Okay.
It's a kind of a restriction, or it's a kind of a strong suggestion, you can say. Okay. Or something that you need to do. Okay, you must do, you must perform. It's a kind of a compulsion, necessity.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
must suggests some kind of a compulsion, necessity, or desire of the speaker. Okay, so it
Yes.
must comes under these two categories. Then ought to comes under right to do something. It also gives the right to do something, that we ought to respect our national anthem.
And
Okay, we ought to respect our national anthem. This is our moral duty, our right to do something. Okay, so this is how we are going to differentiate between these three modal verbs. Clear this much?
ma'am, what is the meaning of compulsion?
Compulsion to do something, it's compulsory. Okay, for doing something. Okay, you must complete, you must, it's a strong necessity. That is compulsion. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
That comes
Okay,
from
ma'am.
compulsion comes from something which is compulsory. Okay, clear?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, must is only used for ability.
Must is used for strong obligation, compulsion. Okay, must is used for strong and should be used for advice and suggestions. Clear? Okay,
Yes,
but the
ma'am.
stronger, the among all these three things, the strongest is ought to, then stronger is must, and should is strong only. Okay, should is
Ma'am,
strong.
must is stronger than should and
Should,
ought to is
yes,
stronger
yes,
than
yes,
must.
yes. All three of them are stronger than each other. Okay, I mean ought to is strong, the strongest one, then stronger is must, and should is strong. Okay, so the high intensity is,
Ought to is the strongest.
yes, the highest
Yes, they are
intensity.
strongest.
Please mute your audios. Mute your audios. Ought to has a highest intensity. Okay, ये सबसे ज़्यादा intense है. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, उससे कम must है और फिर should है. Okay, these three things are there. Any problem?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Clear?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now coming to the next exercise, which is exercise B. You can see the screen, everyone. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now fill in the blanks with should, ought to, or must according to the suggestions in the bracket. So the first one, let us do it in the book right now. And please keep your cameras open so that I can see whether you are writing or not. Keep your cameras open.
मैम मैंने पहले से ही लिख लिया बस मैम मुझे देखना है कि सही है कि नहीं
Okay,
मैंने भी
but
लिख लिया
okay, that's good. But you have to tally the answers. Okay. So the first one, he ought to look after his parents. That is moral duty. Na? Under the bracket, it's written what you are supposed to write in the blank. Okay. So the first one, moral duty is ought to. Okay. Then should. Second, you should read, because it is clearly saying that it is a suggestion that you can give it to anybody. So you should read newspapers daily to improve your vocabulary. Okay. Then third one, you must submit the form before the last week of May, and it's showing compulsion. So compulsion is must, something compulsory. Okay, so must gives expresses compulsion. Clear?
मैम you have sent to her
Then the government must make efforts towards bridging the economic divide. So it's necessity. Again, compulsion or necessity, must. Clear? Done? Okay, then the fifth one is again the moral duty. Moral duty, whenever moral duty comes, you have to understand that it is ought to. So we ought to pay taxes on time. It is our moral duty as citizens of the country. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sixth one. You suggestion again, you should join yoga classes to improve your ability to concentrate.
I'm done.
Done? Then you
Yes, ma'am.
ought to do something for underprivileged. That is again a moral duty. So you ought to. Okay? You
Yes,
ought to
ma'am.
do
Done.
something for the underprivileged. Then,
I'm done.
okay. Please remind me when the period is about to over before 5 minutes. Okay, everyone? So next is, since the train is yet to come, we should take a walk around the area. That is a suggestion. Okay? So suggestion, for suggestion we always use should. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ninth one. You must finish your work by today. It's a compulsion, so must. Done that? Okay, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Having a playground in every locality is a must. Again, necessity, compulsion. Again, compulsion and necessity, wherever these two things will come, you have to use must. Okay, and moral duty, ought to. And when there is a suggestion or advice, then it is should. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, how much time is left? The class is till 10:05, if I am not wrong.
Ma'am, right. Ma'am, right. Now it is on 9:44.
And a class is till 10:05, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, 21 minutes.
And who's this joining so late? Divya, where were you? Why so late?
Ma'am, I not got the link, so that's why I asked Mila, so she had.
And again, because Divya is staying in the village, and that's why you're having a problem, network issues. I'll talk to you later on, okay, Divya? Now, may,
Okay, ma'am.
I'll talk to you later. May, can, and could. So these three things again, these three modal verbs again expresses what? What kind of expression? It's a permission. Okay, so may has various uses in the sentence. It's right now what we are learning, it is about permission, but may can be used in various ways. Okay, for example, if you have to take a permission, then you can use may in a sentence like, may I drink water? It is a kind of a permission. You are asking for something, isn't it? You are requesting for something. Okay, getting it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and then may I come in? Yes, you may come in. Then as you are allowing somebody to come in, you are granting their permission. Okay, so when you have granted something, then also you can use may. Okay, then may and can, there is a very fine line between may and can. Okay, what is it? Can is always informal. Okay, it is more formal, and permission which is less formal than may. Okay, may is more formal and can is informal. What is it? Can is informal. So for asking for whenever we used to talk to our elders or teachers or any other authority of the school or an organization, we always have to use may. Okay, not can. So for example, if you are talking to a teacher, if you are asking for permission, then always use may with the teachers. But if you are at home or with your friends, you can always use can for asking them, or just for taking some kind of a permission from them. Okay, so can I borrow your pen? May can I please can I talk to you for a while? Okay, then you can talk to them, or you can use can. Using can, you can talk to them. Okay, but when you are talking to any authority in the school or any teacher or any formal person, then you always use may. Okay, got it? The difference between may and can. Okay, this is the fine line between may and can, otherwise both can be used in the same way. Okay, this is may is formal and can is
Informal. Formal.
understood. Clear this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then could always suggest permission in the past. Okay, it is always, whenever we have to use can in the past form, it is always used as could. So he told me I could leave. Okay, so he told me he could leave in the past. It is talking about the past, and it is more politer than may. Okay, now if you say may I help you, so could I please help you, or could you please help me, could you please help me, it is more politer than may. Okay, it's written over here, more politer than may. Okay, so sir, could you grant me leave on Saturday? So again, it is sounding more politer than may. Okay, okay, could you please help me in completing my assignment? Could you please come over at my home to suggest me to suggest the ideas? Okay, so when you are using could in your sentences, you are actually using the politest way of asking something. Okay, clear this much? So this is the difference between may, could, can and could. Okay, so here it is a conversation written between the two neighbors, and they are involved in a conversation. So let us find out what is written over here. Okay, so I'm reading it for you. Aruna and Malini. This is a conversation between the two neighbors, that is Aruna and Malini. So Aruna asked, can I borrow today's Economic Times from you? What is Economic Times? Come on.
Newspaper.
Yes, newspaper.
Ma'am, newspaper.
Exactly. So, can I borrow today's Economic Times from you? Actually, we don't take that newspaper. Malini, sure, you can. Aruna, can I keep it for a day? Malini, yes, you can. The two neighbors are friends and are not formal with each other. So, the model can is used. Okay? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now they are neighbors, they are talking to each other using the word can. Okay, using the model verb can.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
मैम 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 जब हम किसी अथॉरिटी या मैम किसी बड़े मैम पोस्ट वाले मैम किसी से बात करते हैं तो मैम उसके साथ हम क्या यूज करते हैं?
may. When we are talking to any dignitary, when we are talking to any person whom we are having a formal relationship, like with me, what kind of a relationship you all are having with me? नहीं, हो रहा है,
इनफॉर्मल.
हो रहा है, हाँ. Okay, so for what kind of a relationship you have with me, it is formal, right? But what kind of a relationship?
If we want, मैम अगर किसी बड़े मैम जैसे प्रिंसिपल या मैम किसी अथॉरिटी के
Yes,
मैम
yes,
बड़े
yes,
अध्यक्ष
yes. You
मैम
have a formal
मैम तो उसके
relationship with
साथ
them.
क्या यूज करेंगे
हाँ,
मैं
so when you have a formal relationship with any person, you have to use may. Okay. When you have an informal relationship with anyone, you have to use can. You can use can, and could you use for past ability or past permission in the past. Okay, or seeking the permission in a very polite way. Okay. Okay, so
ओके मैम
when you have to seek a permission in a very polite way, you have to use could. Okay, and in English class, if you have to ask any question, it should be in English, not in Hindi. Okay, so whenever during English class, and all the time, not only during English class, all the time when you are talking to the teacher, it should be in English. Okay, keep that in mind. So talking to the taking to the another thing, conversation. The two neighbors are friends, and that is why they are using can in their conversation. Now here is a conversation between the two teachers. Now teachers are having what kind of a relationship? Formal or informal?
फॉर्मल मैम
Exactly,
फॉर्मल
exactly.
मे का
Yes,
इस्तेमाल होगा
yes.
मैम वी
So
विल यूज मे
yes, we have to use may. Then who are both are colleagues. Colleagues means the people who work together. Okay. So Miss Reena, may I use your school diary to check the date for the next unit test? Miss Kavita, yes, you may. See, they are using may in their conversation. Okay. So Miss Reena, could you keep it back in the drawer later? Then again, she's making a very polite request to that teacher. Okay, I have to leave for the next class. So Miss Kavita said, yeah, oh sure. Okay, so the two teachers are colleagues. The colleagues mean people who work together and have a cordial conversation. Okay, so the models may and could are used. Clear this much?
यस मैम यस मैम
Okay, so now coming to the next exercise. Any problem in may, can and could? Anything that you need to ask?
नो मैम
Sure, everyone?
यस मैम यस मैम
Okay.
यस मैम
Okay. Right, so let us do the exercise C. Tick the correct option to complete the sentence. I have already ticked in my book so that you can see the answers also over here. Right? So the receptionist told me that I could. Okay, because permission in the past. See, in the bracket it is given, the hints are given in the bracket. So permission in the past is always could. Okay, so the receptionist told me that I could make a call from the telephone at the reception. Okay, clear this much?
यस
Okay, then second, I can't find my blue pen, Johnny. Then it is informal. Okay, can I borrow yours? Okay, can I borrow yours? Clear? Now next third one, we have to use a formal, it's a formal conversation. Students can, students may, formal may, students may study in the library on Sundays, said the principal. Done?
यस मैम
Please mute your audios, and nothing should be said between the middle of the meeting. Then you again informal, so you can take my pen, dear brother. Okay, then the fifth one is formal, so you may leave now, said the boss to his employees. Done?
यस मैम
Ha, I know. Yes. So Sixth one is past permission in the past. What it should be? Could. Okay. So he said that I could join the team on that day itself. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next one is informal. So can I have some snacks, mother? Okay. Eighth one. Sir, may I come in? Again it's formal, so may is used. Then ninth, may I use your telephone? Very polite. Or could I use your telephone is also correct. Okay, may or could, any one of it can be used. Okay. Informal, can I pay the ticket fare? Done this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now time is about
Yes,
to
ma'am.
over. So we have done till here. Rest of the things we are going to continue tomorrow because this chapter is little long. So it cannot be
And
finished.
7 minutes left.
Yes, it cannot be finished in a day. So we will do this part tomorrow. Okay, so whatever we have done today, I hope you all have understood and please revise it. So when I am going to take the class tomorrow, I might ask certain questions from the things that I have taught today. Okay, so everyone has to answer me. I'll be asking tomorrow from each one of you. Okay, and please don't get absent from the class. Everyone has to attend the class regularly. So coming back to the meeting. Okay, everyone has done it in the book, the exercises.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and do the things that I told you in the book, in the notebook, and I'll be sending the exercises related with the modal verbs and without the answers written over there, and you have to do it on your own. So and after doing it, make a PDF and send it on my 8480 number. You know which number I'm talking about? Yes, you used to send them. Yes, yes, you used to send the PDF earlier. So you have to send your PDF over there so that I'll check whether you have done that exercise or not. Or not right now, I'll be sending it to you. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
In our copy.
Sorry?
And which questions we have?
I'll send you, that is what I'm saying, that I'll be sending it to you in the group and on the website also it will be uploaded. I'll let you know the current website which is working and homework and all the assignments are going to be uploaded over there along with the video. Okay, so if those who have missed or want to repeat or just recall all the things that we have done in the class, you can watch the video as well. Okay? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so everyone please give the attendance and revise the things that I have taught today and I'll be sending you the assignment. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Shmeet.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, everyone. So be ready for next 5 minutes. You are going to get the link of the other class. Be ready for that. And as soon as the link will be sent to you, you have to join the meeting. Okay? Right, everyone?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, take care. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.